Machines play a crucial role in today's food industry. When they are working, they help businesses earn money, but when they are just sitting idle, they can actually cause financial problems. In this episode, you will find out how to make the most of equipment that isn't being used right now to boost profits. Hello, I am Mateusz. I have a strong interest in technology that helps the food industry. I know a lot about machines used to prepare meat and fish, how they work, how to fix them, and how to choose the right ones for different situations. I started Food Machinery to assist our clients in finding reliable used machines that can save them both time and money. Our team is committed to buying and selling these machines around the clock, serving customers in Poland, all over Europe, and wherever they need support. In the food processing industry, machines often stop being used not because they break down, but because companies change what they produce or how they operate. For example, if a factory decides to start making different products, upgrade to larger machines, or switch to new packaging, perfectly working equipment can become useless in new setup. While these machines might still be in good condition, they become idle when they don't fit into the factory's updated workflow. Over time, the need to keep these machines clean and up to safety standards, even though they aren't making any money, turns them from helpful assets into expensive burdens for the business. Let's explore why having an unused machine in a food processing facility can still mean spending money. The high costs of space, cleaning, and safety. In the food industry, floor space is really important. It's not just empty space. It must meet strict safety and cleanliness standards. First, let's think about how much your floor space actually costs. In a food processing plant, every square foot matters. It needs to adhere to specific building, drainage, and air quality standards. When a machine isn't being used, it's not just sitting there. It's taking up valuable space that could be used for something more profitable or to improve operations. But it's more than just space. Because of regulations, that unused machine can actually cost even more. It can't just sit there gathering dust. It must be regularly cleaned and inspected to prevent issues such as bacterial growth. Additionally, leaving a machine unused can create safety risks. It can disrupt workflow and make it hard for workers to do their jobs properly. Essentially, you are spending money on space and stop dealing with an idle piece of equipment that isn't helping your business at all. Technical degradation. Many people believe that when a machine is turned off and unplugged, it remains in perfect condition. However, in the world of advanced food technology, the opposite is often true. Machines can break down faster when not in use. Consider what happens to the parts of the machine. When it is running, seals and gaskets remain flexible because they are lubricated and in motion. But if a machine sits unused for a long time, those parts can dry out and crack. The oils and greases inside the machine can also settle and harden, causing the machine to seize when they try to turn it back on. When it comes to old machines, we need to consider two major problems: physical wear and outdated technology. These machines are built for constant use, but if they are left in a moist or cold environment, tiny amounts of rust can form on the critical parts, such as valves and motors. This can lead to serious issues when you finally try to turn them on again, causing them to break down or even burn out. But there is another issue to consider. As technology advances, these machines can fall behind. If a machine sits unused for a year, it can become incompatible with newer systems in your factory. What used to work well may no longer connect to your updated control systems or production lines. Instead of having a reliable backup, you may end up with a machine that's becoming unreliable and outdated. The spare parts trap. Parts cannibalisation. This is a maintenance issue that many owners tend to ignore until it becomes a bigger problem. It's about taking parts from one machine to fix another. Let me explain it with a simple scenario. Imagine one of your essential machines suddenly breaks down. Your technician checks how long it will take to get a replacement part, and it could take up to 3 weeks. With production halted, your technician looks around and notices an unused machine in the corner that has the same part. So he takes that part to keep the main machine running. At first, it seems like a smart move. He saved the day. However, this decision has long-term consequences. By taking a part from the idle machine, you have significantly reduced its value. It seems that a valuable asset has been utilized to address an immediate challenge. If you ever decide to sell a second machine, it won't be worth much, because potential buyers will see it as a project that needs fixing rather than a dependable tool. Opportunity cost and market timing. In the food industry, being quick and adaptable is key to staying ahead of the competition. When a machine is sitting idle, it's not just taking up space. It represents money that could be better used to help your business grow. If you have funds tied up in equipment you are not using, you miss out on important chances. This could mean entering into a new contract that requires a different type of machine or investing in new technology to help reduce labor cost. Another factor to consider is market timing. Every piece of equipment has a specific period when it's still valuable. Right now, your machines might still be in demand. It's important to remember that technology can become outdated and useless over time, and keeping equipment you don't use isn't a smart move. Instead of being careful, you're actually letting your chances to invest in something better slip away. If you have noticed certain machines in your facility are causing slowdowns, either by taking up valuable space or freezing your capital, we are here to help you find a solution. Every factory is different, so here are 3 flexible options to guide you through this change based on what works best for your situation. Direct purchase. If you are struggling with limited space in your factory and have money tied up in unused machines, we are here to help. Our team provides fast evaluations of your machinery, usually within a day, and we take care of everything, from payment to taking apart and moving the machines. This way, we can free up space and get the funds you need to expand your business. Strategic brokerage. If you are concerned about protecting your business position, we can help arrange a private sale of your machines or production lines. This way, your technology won't fuel your competitors. We handle the sale of your equipment to international buyers while maintaining confidentiality. We carefully vet each buyer to ensure your machines can leave your facility without compromising your competitive edge. Site liquidation. If you are going through a significant change, we are here to help you manage the entire process of closing down or changing your operations. When you are shutting down a location or switching to a completely different type of production, dealing with all the large equipment can be overwhelming. We take care of everything for you, from first assessment to the final cleanup, so you can concentrate on what comes next in your journey. Are you ready to sell your machinery? Great! Now it's time to convert that machinery into real money for your business. Send us your inquiry using the link in the description, and we will handle the rest. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.